Hi everyone, today we are going to learn disease transmission. As we know, disease can transmit from everywhere. When people sneeze, kiss, or when they are exposed to a harmful environment or bit by a mosquito, the illness will spread. To protect yourself from infection, it is very important to understand how diseases are transmitted. In this course, you will learn the modes of disease transmission and the ways of prevention. Infection diseases are often spread through direct contact. Types of direct contact include person-to-person contact. It occurs when the infected person touches or exchanges body fluids with someone else. Another way is droplet spread during coughing and sneezing. Infection disease can also be spread indirectly through the air and other mechanisms. For example, airborne transmission. Infection agents can travel long distance and remain suspended in the air. For example, you can catch a disease like measles by entering a room after someone with measles has departed. Infectious disease can be transmitted via contaminated food and water. E. coli is often transmitted through improperly handled produce or uncooked meat. Disease can also be transmitted from an animal to a person. This can happen when an infected animal bites or scratches you, or when you handle animal waste. For example, the Toxoplasma gondii parasite can also be found in cat feces. Pregnant women should take extra care of it. Some zoonotic infectious agents are transmitted by insects, especially those that have blood. These include mosquitoes, fleas, and ticks. For example, malaria can also be transmitted by this way. Soil, water, and vegetation containing infectious organisms can also be transferred to people. Hookworm, for example, is transmitted through contaminated soil. Because infectious disease can spread through direct or indirect contact, everyone is at risk of illness. To prevent the disease transmits, you must take precautions to protect yourself. Here are some tips you should know. Number 1. Stay up to date on vaccination, especially when traveling. Don't forget to keep your pet's vaccination current too. Number 2. When camping, use insect repellent and mosquito netting. Do not touch animals in the wild. Do not touch sick or dead animals. Number 3. Avoid cross-contamination by keeping raw meats and produce separate. Number 5. Wash your hands or use hand sanitizer frequently. Number 6. Minimize touching your mouth or nose with your hands. Number 7. Using disposal gloves. Number 8. Avoid sick people if possible. At the end, we learn the modes of disease transmission and how prevention is so important. If you want more information about disease transmission, here is a link for you to expose more. Feel free to email me if you have any questions. Thank you.